Or you could do the self-portrait from the mirror. Yes, many classical artists and masters made self-portraits in history. Look at these and these. There are so many good artists and portrait artists in history. When I was in art college, they told us the assignment was to draw a self-portrait for 4 months straight. It did get a little monotonous after some time, I have to admit. The moment the pencil touches the paper, it becomes so monotonous and boring. Oh, you always complain. And now you are complaining that I am complaining. This brings me to the following. I was thinking about the swearing box, and I thought it would be better to have a complaint box instead. So if you have a complaint, you can write it down on a piece of paper instead of saying it out loud. Oh, I better start writing then. Where do I insert it? Well, it's Virgil, so I guess you could just send me a message with your complaint. Good, here is the first one. Okay, message received. Thank you. What does it say? I was just going to store the complaints and then take them into consideration for possible improvements in my courses. Oh, seriously? Then how will we ever find out what is improved? I think you should read it. Yes, read it. It's fine with me. I thought the whole point of writing it down was to keep it anonymous. How is it anonymous if there are only 3 of us? If it wasn't mine, then it must be yours or his. There is nobody else, so if you read it and I hear it, then it must be his. I know it is one of you two who wrote it. Yeah, good point. However, I'm still hesitant. I'm still hesitating. No, just read it. Vincent is right. Just do it. Come on. It is Vincent. And yes, I am right. As always. Of course. Okay, fine. The first complaint comes from Vincent. And it reads, Vincent from France always thinks he's right. Maybe someone should tell him that he is wrong a lot too. La vache! How dare you! Moi, I have a complaint too! I'm going to write it down. Let me guess. Is the complaint about Vincent from the Netherlands? You will find out when you read it. I think I will write down another complaint. I have a gut feeling that this is not going to end well. Here, read it, s'il vous plaît. Sure, okay. It reads, Vincent from the Netherlands is a dumb student and never interested in art. I expected that, but I have an answer to that too. Received. Another complaint. How did I not see that coming? Read it, please. Okay, here we go. Vincent from France is a moron and a French loser. I'm not sure how we can improve our program with this complaint. Maybe I should call it a suggestion box. Whatever. We already knew that he didn't like me, but it's okay. I have a suggestion for your suggestion box. Then, I am writing it down right now. Message received. Let's look at it. Hey, do I even want to read this one? Come on. Are you saying that his last suggestion wasn't offensive? It wasn't even a suggestion. Neither was yours. But this one is. Please read it. Okay, I will read it. It says, Vincent from the Netherlands should get his head out of his butt. Then he should use a machine to grow more brains. And then he should use those brains to draw like a true master. And if he doesn't do this, he will always remain a dummy with no skills. Very forward, very sincere. Thank you, Vincent. It is Vincent. And yes, isn't that what he should be doing? No, I think the way it is phrased is not really how I would put it. Of course not. He is the only one who should do all that. Do what? That thing that you wrote down. See, you are so stupid that you cannot even repeat what I said. Well, it was a whole mouthful. I have a suggestion for you though. Here, I will write it down. What could you possibly suggest for me to do better? I am the ultimate art master. Here you go. Thank you, I guess. Message received. Here it is. I suggest that Vincent from France should take a pencil, stick it up his nose, and pluck the dirt out of his stupid brain. That way, he won't be so stuck up. Get it? And he will be a smarter person. What do you think, huh? Very creative. You are definitely Dutch. No beating around the bush. What an insult! You are the one with a stupid brain. No, you have a stupid brain. Never! Hey guys, I have a suggestion too. I just wrote it down. Yes? What is it? Read it, please. My suggestion is, how about both of you shut up for a moment? Okay. Interesting suggestion. Yeah? So I'm afraid the suggestion box or the complaint box, neither of them worked, so I'm going to get rid of them. Have a nice day. Yes, hey, tot ziens hè. Bye. Au revoir, madame et messieurs.